Sustainable food catering. At weddings, we usually pile up our plates with food that we eventually don't finish. Sometimes the waste food remains at the venue and becomes totally stale by the next day. There is little to no proper strategy in place when it comes to food management at weddings. It is an issue which is causing an economical loss to the host of the wedding and also a social issue that needs to be addressed on SOS basis. These are some of the stakeholders of food catering. Our three major stakeholders are hosts, caterers, and guests.
सर अगर मान लीजिए मेरे जो गेस्ट आए वो स्नैक्स से ही भर गए, उनको खाना खाने नहीं हुआ, तो अब बाकी फिर वो बचे हुए खाने का क्या करते हो?
ऑलमोस्ट कैटरिंग में 70% वेस्टेज होता है।
वेस्ट कितना परसेंट?
70% वेस्टेज ऑफ फूड इन कैटरिंग। आप सर्वे कर लो, गूगल में सर्च कर लो, न्यूज में देख लो। 70% ऑफ वेस्टेज 70% वेस्टेज होता है। खाना जो फेंकना पड़ता है पूरा खराब हो जाता है।
आप लोग को आपने
इसका कुछ सोल्यूशन नहीं है क्या? मतलब
नहीं, ये लोग क्या करते हैं, जो वेटर्स देते हैं, जो ये एम्प्लॉयज देते हैं, वो लोग पार्सल लेके चले जाते हैं।
ओके, बट एम्प्लॉयज भी कितना लेके जाएंगे? मतलब वेस्ट होना ही है।
नहीं, कैटरिंग में 70% वेस्टेज है, क्योंकि आदमी कितना खाएगा एक प्लेट। कैटरिंग का एक फॉर्मूला होता है, यानी रोटी कम नहीं होनी चाहिए, ज्यादा होगी तो चल जाएगा, कर जाए।
अच्छा, मतलब हम जितना ऑर्डर देंगे उससे थोड़ा बफर ज्यादा होगा।
10% एक्स्ट्रा होता है।
ओके ओके।
और जो भी कैटरिंग वाले होते हैं ना, पहले हाफ डन करके लेके आते हैं। हाफ डन इन द सेंस खाना फूड प्रिपेयर नहीं होता है।
हाँ, करेक्ट। ओके,
70% पहले आपका किचन में प्रिपेयर होगा, फिर जो 100% होगा आपके स्पॉट पे, आपका जो फंक्शन आपको उधर गरम सर्व किया जाएगा।
अच्छा।
न्यूट्रिशन हाइजीनिक आर द मेन फंडा ऑफ द कैटरिंग टू मेंटेन इट।
तो इसमें जो 70% वेस्टेज हो रहा है, तो इसमें सबसे ज्यादा वेस्ट होने वाला कोई फूड आइटम बता सकते हो?
डेजर्ट्स होती है, वो वेस्ट नहीं होती है। डेजर्ट और कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स और सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स हो गए, बाकी ये हो गया, ये जो ऑलमोस्ट जो मूवेबल है, ठीक है। जैसे आप कोल्ड ड्रिंक लाते हो, कल से नहीं पी रहे हो, उसको पैक करके फ्रिज में रख देते हैं। जो खाना प्रिपेयर हो जाता है ना, वो वेस्टेज है। जो रॉ मटेरियल पड़ा रहता है ना, वो वापस चला जाता है। जैसे हम 25 किलो चावल लेके जाते हैं, हम लोग 15 किलो बनाएंगे, तो 10 किलो बच गया, तो वो यूजेबल है। जो वापस रिसाइकल होता है वो वेस्टेज। जो बन गया ऑलरेडी, तो वो आप फेंक देते हैं। एंड ऑफ द डे जब फंक्शन खत्म बांट देते हैं या तो फेंक देते हैं। जो भी खाना बच जाता है उसको आधा जो यूजेबल रहता है उसको स्टोर करके रखते हैं फ्रीजर में। जो फेंकने वाला होता है वो लोग फेंक देते हैं।
ओके।
अगर मैंने आपको 500 पर प्लेट का कोटेशन दी है, तो उसमें से 275 मेरी मार्जिन है, जिसमें से मेरी मार्जिन मनी इन हैंड, जिसमें से मेरा लेबर भी निकल गया, कॉस्टिंग भी निकल गई, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन। मेरा 50% मार्जिन मनी इन कैटरिंग, नेक्स्ट 50%। 70 to 80% वेस्टेज ऑफ फूड इन कैटरिंग लाइन।
ओके, तो सर इसके अलावा
कोई भी सोल्यूशन नहीं है। एक ताज कैटरिंग सर्विस है, वो क्या करते हैं, जो फूड बचता है ना, वो लोग खरीदो। मिड डे, जो एक मिड डे है, उनको खाना देते हैं, तो मिड डे वाले ये लोग सप्लाई करते हैं, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में देते हैं।
मग तुम्ही ते जे फूड वगैरे उरतं त्याचं काय प्रोसेस आहे?
त्याची प्रोसेस अशी
पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे उरतं का ते सांग.
डिपेंड. कधी कधी आता 700 लोकांचं सांगितलंय त्याने,
हां बरोबर.
350 लोक पण येत नाही.
एवढा गॅप कसा काय होतो?
पडतो.
म्हणजे कशामुळे पडतो? त्या कस्टमरला माहित नसतं की हे येते.
त्याने सगळ्यांना इन्व्हिटेशन दिलंय.
अच्छा,
700 लोकांना.
ओके. बट तो कन्फर्मेशन
घेतच नाही. तो 700 आम्हाला पे करतो. आम्ही 100% ॲडव्हान्स घेतो इव्हेंट चारल्या दिवशी. आता 350 लोकच आहेत.
Flow of food catering as described by our stakeholders is: receive the finalized menu, plan the inventory, placing purchase order with all vendors, preparation of food at go down kitchen, transportation of food at the wedding venue, setup of temporary kitchen at the venue, set up the buffet, heating of the food, serving the guests, monitoring the eating pattern and making arrangements accordingly, handling the food wastage if any, disposal of other wastages. First of all, congratulations on your wedding.
Thank you.
How big was your guest list?
So it was around 200-300 guests.
So do you remember like कितने लोग actually turn up हुए उस दिन?
उन्होंने जितना एक्सपेक्ट किया था उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही था. More than 200 plus आराम से ही थे. So I guess 250 तो होंगे on the higher side.
आपने जब भी बात करी थी तो आपने कुछ बफर रखा था क्या उसमें? मतलब उनको बोला था एक्स्ट्रा फूड का? over and above?
एक्स्ट्रा फूड का see this particular caterer has this arrangement that अगर कुछ आगे पीछे होता है so they had this 50 plates का buffer कि कुछ होता है तो हम we will provide it, ऐसा था. तो हम लोग ने एक्सपेक्ट कर ही रहे थे कि रिसेप्शन में ज्यादा लोग आएंगे ही, तो हम लोग ने काउंटी प्लेट्स का इतना ही रखा था, 1% पर प्लेट हमने काउंट किया था, तो सबसे तो मतलब बराबर ही था अरेंजमेंट. एंड they themselves had told us कि वो बफर रखेंगे.
Was any leftover food?
There was तो मतलब ऐसा मैंने बोला ना कि as expected गेस्ट आए थे सब, इतना भी नहीं था, so the caterer only made the arrangements of all the leftover food, so we were not responsible for that.
क्या किया उन्होंने leftover food के साथ?
No आइडिया नहीं है, हम लोग ने ही सब कर दिया फिर.
So, how much did your wedding card cost?
For around 50,000.
Where you can have a sustainable option कि आप online invitation भेजो. अब जैसे आपकी भाई की भी शादी होगी थोड़े सालों में, तो will you prefer that option?
डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि देखो बाद में हम लोग के सिवा कोई रखने नहीं वाला है कार्ड्स, तो इट्स बेटर टू गिव एन ऑनलाइन इनविटेशन कि एक बार चलो हो गया इनवाइट तो लिंक मतलब बंद कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज जस्ट वेस्ट फॉर देम. दे विल जस्ट सी द इनविटेशन, सी द एड्रेस कि कहाँ पर है और वो फेक देंगे. सो इट्स जस्ट अ वेस्ट एक्चुअली. बट या इन द फ्यूचर ऑनलाइन इनविटेशन इज अ बेटर ऑप्शन कंपेयर टू हार्ड कॉपी और व्हाटएवर.
Wedding, what were the key that you focused on? जैसे decoration, food, your dress और other things. सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान किस पे था?
ज़्यादा than we considered food first, then the decoration, because see सब आ रहे हैं मेहमान इतना टाइम निकाल के, so they will always remember us for food and decor. So yeah, so we kept food as the first priority, followed by decoration.
If you ask me my basic center of attention, it is always food and the decoration. Do I finish all the food? It depends. If I take a larger quantity, sometimes it happens that I don't know how much I'll eat and a little bit more quantity comes in my plate. So sometimes it depends. So my answer will be maybe.
What food type do you prefer at weddings? जैसे starters हो गए, main course, desserts. Like
I usually have starters and desserts. I don't have the main course. क्योंकि घर पे तो खाते ही वो सब खाना, तो starters और desserts.
okay. Then what is your key takeaway from the weddings? Like जैसे rituals हो गए, food हो गया, decoration. What do you look for?
Definitely food and decorations. क्योंकि bride और groom से तो मिल ही जाते हैं हम लोग बाद में. Food and decorations ही तो मतलब we usually remember food and decorations after the wedding, right?
If someone sends you an online invitation, how would you feel about it? Like not the physical card.
I think that's a great idea. People are nowadays making websites for their invitation, and that's a good idea. I wouldn't mind having an invitation online.
आपको कौन सी शादियों में ज़्यादा जाना पसंद है, सुबह की, दोपहर की या रात की?
रात की.
आपको वहाँ पे जो खाना है उसमें आपको सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पसंद आता है?
सबसे ज़्यादा रसगुल्ला.
अच्छा, डेजर्ट्स.
Our major respondents were in the age group of 19 to 50. 70.1% said that food is what they look forward to at a wedding. 70.9% said that they enjoy starters the most. 90.2% said that they enjoy evening weddings the most. 8.7% said that they don't finish food on their plate at weddings. 46.9% of those said that it is usually main course. 72.5% said they won't mind an online invitation from close relatives. Out of those, 53.1% said they won't mind sharing their food preferences on an online invitation card.
Hello, I'm Raj. I'm getting married to Simran next month.
Hello, I'm a guest at Raj and Simran's wedding.
Hello, I'm the caterer for Raj and Simran's wedding.
We have a lot of things to do. The wedding is just a month away.
Yes, we want our guests to have an extravagant experience at a wedding. It's stressing me out. We haven't even decided on the location and the venue yet. Great. Now that we have finalized the location, we need to figure out the guest list.
Make sure you keep a buffer count on the guests. Show us the best card. It's our big day.
Sure, sir.
Don't you think we don't need to spend so much on a piece of paper which will be of no value after the wedding?
We are getting married next month. Please do come and bless on our big day.
Sure, bless you.
I want Chinese, Mexican, Italian, and all kind of continental food for my wedding.
All our guests are North Indians. We don't need so many cuisines. We need to avoid food wastage.
Nowadays, it's a trend. What will our guests think if we just keep one cuisine? We will also have a huge desserts and drink section.
Yes, sir, we expertise in all types of cuisines that you're looking for. We'll make sure your wedding is a grand affair. How big is your guest list?
500.
Make sure you keep an extra buffer of 100 people. I don't want my guests to go empty stomach.
I hope you have procured all the raw materials for tomorrow's wedding.
Yes, sir. Everything is fresh and we have procured 20% extra material so that there is no shortage.
Food is ready to be dispatched to the venue. We have even prepared extra food in case extra guests turn up at the last minute.
It's 8 p.m. already. So chilly here. I'm super hungry and ready to dive into the buffet. I've eaten a lot. I guess I've taken more than I can consume. Looks like I would have to throw this away.
Sir, it was a grand wedding, but we are now left over with 50 plates of food. What should we do with that?
You and the other workers distribute among yourself and throw the rest away.
Currently, food wastage at weddings is a problem that is completely being ignored by all our stakeholders. It is a social and economic issue that needs to be addressed. As per our primary and secondary research, there is 70% food wastage at weddings, which is not a small number. Some of the major issues that we came across are: there is a huge gap between the guest list and the actual turn up. There are high margins in the catering industry, which leads to ignorance of the wastage from the caterer's side. There is a lack of proper techniques and strategies in planning of food preparation and then tackling with the wastage. India doesn't have an RSVP culture. Host is clueless about the actual guest list till the last minute. In India, there is a mindset of having a lavish wedding. People want variety of cuisines, which is not really a need but a means of show off. People think that the wedding function is directly related to their reputation, and this is one unspoken mindset problem that needs to be addressed. Extensive use of tissues and plastic water bottles has been observed at weddings, which is harmful and unsustainable in nature. Carbon footprint increases in terms of transportation of vendors and caterers. As per our primary research, 46% people said that the leftover food on their plate is usually main course, so the main course needs to be planned properly in advance. People tend to fill up big plates so that they don't have to visit the buffer counter again. Sometimes they end up not eating that much. There are common bins for plates, food, bottles, tissues, which leads to difficulty in segregation of waste. Uncommon food items usually go waste due to unaccepting nature of people. Children tend to play with food. They take food that they cannot finish. Some unavoidable situations that can also lead to food wastage are: particular fasting days like Tuesdays, Saturdays, Chaturthi, Ekadashi are days when Muhurats are unavoidable, but these factors are not considered by the caterers while planning. At times, food buffet doesn't start on time, leading to some guests leaving without eating. Sudden climatic conditions like heavy rains tend to see lesser footfalls at weddings. Also, people eat less when the weather is too hot. Sometimes one of the items turns out to be exceptionally tasty and sees higher demand. This leads to wastage of other items. When either the venue or the food is not hygienic, it leads to wastage. Unsuitable venue arrangements like lack of chairs, too much of crowd are also some of the reasons that might lead to wastage. Some behavioral changes that will help in avoiding food wastage are: host mindset should be such that the food option should be limited as per the requirement, as too much of variety can cause wastage. The caterer should source raw materials from nearby vendors to reduce carbon footprint. They should make use of organic produce. They should keep in mind the common fasting days of people. Common food items on the main course like rice and roti should be rotated like starters so that people don't load these up on their plate to avoid revisiting the buffet counter. Servers should serve small quantity of food which can be reloaded. There should be separate bins for waste food, paper and plastic cups, plates. There should be smaller portion sizes of dishes that are relatively uncommon. Reusable and sustainable crockery and cutlery should be used. Some strategies that will help in avoiding food wastage are having an additional packaging counter where you can get your leftover food on the plate packed and take it home. This strategy is also followed at restaurants. Reducing the size of the plate but yet not. We innovated one such plate which looks big but isn't. This would encourage guests to take only as much as they can eat. Wider borders would help them hold the plate comfortably at buffets. We all have heard the announcement, "Dear guests, the buffet is ready. Please proceed and enjoy the dinner." Why not incorporate a 1-minute entertainment act that gives out an awareness message and is also not rude at the same time? Having food awareness messages on the food name tags at the buffet table. Indian main course mainly comprises of 3 gravies, red, onion and white. These gravies can be made separately and cut vegetables can be mixed into the gravies as and when required. This would help in reduction of wastage of raw material. Main course is one area that is consumed the least at weddings and wasted the most. Making these dishes into batches can be one way out. When the food is totally stale and of no use, instead of throwing it away in the dustbin, it can be dug into the soil to make compost out of it. We propose an online invitation card and the prototype for the same is as follows. This card will be sent to the guest in form of a website link. As the guest enters, the details like the name of the bride and the groom, date and the venue of the wedding can be seen. As the guest proceeds, a web form will appear wherein the guest is needed to share his RSVP details, whether they will be joining the host on their big day, how many family members would be joining, and what are their food preferences. On proceeding further, the guest would receive the detailed information of the couple and the wedding. The host we interviewed spent 50,000 on 100 cards. She said the card will be thrown away by the guest after the wedding. An online card is also a sustainable option since no paper is being used, there is no logistics required, eventually it saves a lot of time and definitely a lot of money. In most cases, the host is clueless about his actual guest list until the last minute. With this kind of a card incorporated with the form, host would have a clear picture of his guest along with their food preferences, which would help them in planning the food and managing the crowd accordingly.